Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host LC, and this is the Super Kids Art Club. Hey guys, it's LC here, and in today's video, we're going to be making our own lava lamp. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the Super Kids Art Club. Okay guys, here's some of the supplies that you're going to need for today's project. Alright, so let's grab our vegetable oil and pour it in our container. Just make sure not to fill it all the way to the top. Then you grab your food coloring. I chose red and green, but you can choose any color that you want. Now you're just going to mix that with some water. Okay, so I got my red food coloring and my green food coloring. Great job so far. Okay, so let's get our food coloring and pour it in our containers. So I'm going to pour in my green. Whoa. Now let's move on to the red. Awesome! Alright, let's move these out of the way. Then just grab your Alka-Seltzer, and this is what we're going to use to make our lava lamp come to life. So I added 1 food tablet for the red container. Wow, look at those bubbles! And like a half a tablet for the smaller container. You see, the Alka-Seltzer reacts to the water to make bubbles of carbon dioxide. And the bubbles attract themselves to the blobs of colored water. When the colors pop, the blobs of water fall back to the bottom of the glass. And that's how you have your very own lava lamp. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And remember, if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting new videos every week. See you later, Super Kids!